Imagine a place where legends were born and where the roar of nature's power has echoed for millennia. A place where thrill seekers and dreamers alike have been drawn to its unstoppable force. Here, history and mystery intertwine, telling tales of daring feats and natural wonders, from indigenous peoples who revered it to the adventurers who challenged it. This iconic destination has captivated visitors for centuries. Chris, so great to meet you with Niagara Parks.
Right now we're at Table Rock House Restaurant, so this is the closest dining spot to the brink of the falls, as you can see behind you. So something a lot of people don't know about Niagara Falls, it isn't the tallest waterfall in the world, but it is the most powerful. So it has the most volume of water flowing over it, over the crest line. So that's about 6 million cubic feet per minute of water.
I imagine the seasons are drastic here, right? I'm a Floridian, so to me season is hotter and hotter. Can you tell us the different activities that people can do here in winter, fall, summer, and whatnot? Yep.
Summer is the peak season. Obviously, that's when we see our highest volume of visitation. So we have all the attractions, everything open during that time. But the other seasons are great to visit as well. Fall, the colors are amazing. So you get the fall foliage, some really spectacular views of that all around the falls and then north on the parkway as well. And then the winter is a really spectacular time as well. So you see outside today, we have a lot of mist flowing around. What actually happens is that mist will freeze on the buildings, on the trees, and create a really amazing impact. So we call it the frozen falls effect. So the falls themselves are not frozen, but the ice that can form on top can make it look that way sometimes.
Okay. Any other experience that you might recommend?
We have Journey Behind the Falls, which is in Table Rock Center where we are now. We have the Niagara Falls Power Station right around the corner, which has an amazing viewing platform as well. There's the boat tour experience, and there's also, if you want a little more action, there is the zip line to the falls.
Well, the last time I did a zip line, it was raining just like today. It was in Austin, Texas, I believe. I'm going to save that for tomorrow. Yeah. So, Chris, thank you so much. I appreciate it, and we're looking forward to our time here.
Looking forward to having you.
Here we are, Clifton Hill, totally sensory overload. And you might say it's a tourist trap, but this is the kind of tourist trap that I can get behind. I like it, it is well made, and yeah, I enjoy this kind of thing. Hi, small scorbits waffle cone? Yes, thank you. Here we are at Ziplining to the Falls with Quantan. Quantan, so great to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Let me tell you something. This is only my second zipline, and the last time I did it, it was raining, it was horrible weather. So I think today is gonna be great.
Well, let me check. It looks good. It looks good.
I think so, yeah. So tell me about the experience I'm about to have.
Well, here at Ziplining to the Falls, we have an all-inclusive package. We have 4 zip lines going down at once. It's about 2,200 feet long, about 670 meters. You zip down, and it depends on how heavy you are. We don't push you, we don't throw you. You just glide down at your own pace.
Are you implying anything here?
No. Yeah, and then once you get to the end, we have a beautiful viewing platform, and you're just about 1,000 feet away from the waterfall itself. Yeah. Fun fact, the length of the zip line is as long as across the Horseshoe Falls itself. Well, cool. So you can say you zip line across the falls.
Thank you so much. I'm really looking forward. This is going to be a thrill. I love it. How was it? That was fun. That was awesome. place is so cool. We can see the USA on the other side, and there's people looking back at us from the United States. This is so cool. I love it.
What can I get for you?
Let's start the day with a mimosa.
Mimosa, all right, good call. All right, there you go.
Thank you.
So what brings you to the park?
Well, I've been driving around with my RV,
Right.
The US and Canada, and looking forward to seeing Niagara Falls. Are you from around here?
No, I'm not actually local to the area. I do live in the park, so I get to work here all summer. It's amazing. I love what I do here. We have a really great team on the bar. We get to meet a lot of people. We get to interact with a lot of guests and customers, so it makes for a really fun summer.
I can imagine. Yeah, it's gonna be. Let me ask you if there's something that I should try. We're going downtown soon. If there's something that I should try here in the area, what would you recommend?
I would definitely recommend trying beaver tails. It's my personal favorite. It's a dessert almost, savory, sweet.
Breakfast. You can have that. I actually had it before, but many years ago. So I'm certainly over.
Try it again. Second time's a charm. I think this may be one of Canada's greatest contributions to the world. Let's go.
Beaver tails, Canada's iconic indulgence since 1978. This irresistibly delicious artisanal pastry has been a part of countless special moments and memories. Combining a time-honored recipe with premium ingredients, each hand-stretched whole wheat pastry is served piping hot, offering a perfect blend of crispy and chewy textures.
Oh, thank you.
It really is a must-try.
If you've never tried a beaver tail, it's kind of like a mixture of a donut or sweet fry bread with the sugar, maple syrup. I mean, it's delicious.
As the mist rises and the day fades, we are reminded that Niagara is more than just a destination. It is a testament to the beauty, the history, and the relentless spirit that define this corner of the world.
We've gotten so lucky with the weather today. I mean, we're still getting the mist from the falls, but blue skies, beautiful. They have these boats that they take you all the way, so close to the falls, right there to the middle of the horseshoe. And I'm sure those people are getting soaking it. But anyway, it is so amazing to be here. We've had such an epic time here in Ontario. We've seen Niagara Falls from the front, behind, during the day, at night, fireworks, beaver tails, and even a zip line. But all things come to an end. So I'll see you next time, somewhere around the sun.